Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove grand total from pivot table in Google Sheets. This is a quick fix that helps clean up your data presentation, especially when those total rows aren't needed for your specific analysis. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials that have access to the spreadsheet you want to edit. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet that contains your pivot table. This will open up the file in Google Sheets, giving you access to all your data and pivot tables within that document. Take a moment to ensure you're working with the right file before proceeding. Now that you have your spreadsheet open, you should see your pivot table displayed on the sheet. For this demonstration, I have a sample pivot table set up, and I want to remove the grand total row that's currently showing at the bottom. This is where we'll make our changes. To begin editing the pivot table, look for the pencil icon. You'll find this icon directly under the pivot table itself. Click on it and then select Edit from the options that appear. This action opens up the pivot table editor, which is your control center for modifying how the pivot table displays and organizes information. The pivot table editor will appear on the right side of your screen. Here you can see all the data that's currently being used in your pivot table. Under the rows section, you'll notice the data fields that are being analyzed. In my example, I have resting listed there, but yours will show whatever data categories you're working with in your specific pivot table. Now here's the key step to remove the grand total. Simply locate the Show Totals checkbox within the pivot table editor. You'll see it's currently checked, which is why the grand total is displaying in your table. Uncheck this box by clicking on it once. The moment you do this, the grand total row will disappear from your pivot table, giving you a cleaner view of your data without those summary totals. And that's it. Your pivot table now displays your data without the grand total row cluttering the bottom. This simple adjustment makes your spreadsheet look more streamlined and focused on the individual data points rather than the overall sum. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.